Hello everyone. Today's recipe is called NAMKEEN GOSHT. It's a lamb curry that I'll be making. The ingredients I need are lamb meat with bone, so 3 pounds. I'm using lamb shank meat here, but you can use your favorite meat, either beef or lamb. And then I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes sliced, and then 2 tablespoons of ginger, fresh ginger sliced, and then 4 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then a tablespoon of salt, and then 1/4 cup of oil. I don't need a lot of oil for this curry, and I have 3 pounds of meat there. So to begin, I'm just going to heat the pot and wait for the oil to heat up a bit, and then I'm just going to add the ginger and the green chilies and let them fry for a minute. Once that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the meat. So I'm gonna fry the ginger and the green chilies for a minute. I don't want it to get burned or brown. Just a quick fry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the meat. This is not a very spicy curry, but if you want it spicier, you can always add more black pepper or more green chilies. For once, I just didn't want I like the flavor of the meat in this curry, so there I'm just gonna go ahead, add the meat and then the tomatoes, and then both salt and black pepper. Then I'm just going to give it a good mix, and this is on high heat. So I've kept my the heat on high up until this point, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything, cover the pot, completely cover the pot, and I'm going to let it simmer on a low medium heat for the next hour. This 3 pounds of meat took me about 2 hours. So after 1 hour, you can see there's a lot of water that came from, that's just the juices from the meat and the tomatoes, and that's what's cooking the meat. So I haven't added any water, nor I'll need to, because that's plenty. And so there, this is after another hour. So I'm just gonna show you how the meat is ready. No gravy, because this doesn't require any gravy in this curry. And you can see the meat is breaking off the bone very easily. And I'm just going to garnish it with some fresh coriander, or if you want, you can add fresh green chilies on it, and then some lemon slices. And this curry actually goes really well with naan bread, but if you want, you can have it with rice, or just by itself, even with some salad. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.